Hello once again and welcome to today's lesson. Today's lesson is about the circle and its terms. We will cover the learning outcome 5.22. So, as I told you, we have the circle and there are certain terms that you need to remember. For example, the center, radius, chord, diameter, and circumference. Let's start from the circumference. The circumference is what you see of a circle. So, the circumference of a circle is its perimeter. The mathematical term is circumference. Okay, just the outer line, basically, is called the circumference. The center, of course, it is a point which is exactly in the middle of a circle. Then we have the diameter. A diameter is a line that passes through the center of a circle and touches the circumference at both ends. So, a diameter starts from the circumference, passes through the center, this is very important, that passes through the center, and continues to touch again the circumference. It can be drawn horizontally, it can be drawn vertically. Okay, this is also the diameter, since it starts from the circumference, passes to the center, and touches again the circumference on the other side. And it can be also drawn slanting like that. Okay, that is the diameter. The radius. The radius is a line drawn from any point on the circumference of a circle to its center. So the radius is any line from the center to any point on the circumference. It is also worth mentioning that a radius is half the diameter. Okay? A diameter is from the circumference to the center to the circumference. And the radius is from the center to the circumference. So if a radius of a circle is 6 centimeters long, the diameter would be 12 centimeters, double 6. Okay? If a diameter is 10 centimeters long, its radius would be 5 centimeters. Let's move on to the chord. A chord is a line, okay, that touches the circumference at both ends, but does not pass from the center. Because if it passes from the center, it will be a diameter and not a chord. Okay, so a chord is any line from the circumference to the circumference that does not pass from the center. So this line that I have drawn is a chord. This line here is another chord. Okay? This line is another chord. Okay? Those are all chords. This I have already mentioned. So the relationship between the diameter and the radius, the diameter of a circle is twice the radius. Okay? As I have already explained. The diameter is twice the radius. That is page 5. Now on page 6 you have some exercises to complete. The first one, you need to match each diagram to its label. For example, circle and radius, circle and diameter, circle and chord, and you need to match the label with the diagram. Question 2. You have points A, B, C and D are 4 points on the circle with center O. So the center, which is over here, the center, is always called O in a circle. Okay? And A, B, C and D are all points on the circumference. Here are 5 words that are used with circles: diameter, center, chord, circumference, radius. Choose the correct word to describe each line below. So for example, question A. The straight line AC, this is AC, from here to here, this line. Okay, this is called AC. The straight line AC is A of the circle. You need to choose one from here. The straight line OD, this is OD, okay, from here to here, is A of the circle. The straight line BC is this line, is called what? Okay, that is on page 6. Page 7 you have exercise 3. Again you have these terms related to the circle, and you need to continue the diagram, fill in the diagram with these labels. Okay. Question 4, you have to draw a radius on the circle, any radius. Draw a chord on this circle, again any chord because there are several chords. Okay. Question 6. Find the diameter of the circle whose radius is 4 millimeters. So if we have a circle with radius 4 millimeters, how long will the diameter be? Okay. Question 7. Find the radius of the circle whose diameter is 6.2 millimeters. So if we have a circle and the radius is the diameter is 6.2. Find the length of the radius. Okay, so that's on question 7. Last page, question 8. Identify the parts of each circle. Again, you have letters on the circumference, and the center is marked as well with a letter. Okay, here it's R, here it's C, L, etc. Okay, and you need to identify the parts on each circle. So the center is the letter R, so you have to write R. Radius you can mention, for example, PR. PR is a radius, or RQ, it's also a radius, RQ, or RS. Okay, you can mention any one of those three. For example, I'm going to write RS. And a diameter. We have only one diameter, which is the PQ. Okay, so you have to write PQ there. Okay, so you need to learn these, okay, and practice them. And basically that's it. This topic, we had only to cover the quadrilaterals regarding the rhombus and the kite, as well as the circle. That's all for now. Bye.